Hi, I'm Lisa Bowman, Chief Marketing Officer of United Way Worldwide. The challenge that we had at United Way was we didn't have a robust way of providing data and information to our 13,000 global employees that operate across 40 countries and territories and 1,800 local United Ways. We had no way of taking everything that we had from 12 major research studies that we conduct annually and sharing that data in an efficient manner that would allow people to find relevant data and help understand their performance relative to the rest of our network. We partnered with information builders because when we did our research on potential vendors in this space, we couldn't find anyone else that brought the full suite of what we needed to us. And I think being a mission-driven organization, cultural alignment was also very important to us. And from the onset, it was imperative to us that we had somebody that understood what we were doing, why we were doing it. And information builders came to the table with a great team of people that navigated us through the process and really aligned with the work that we do. The business benefits that we get with WebFOCUS today is increased efficiency for our network in terms of having hands-on access to data and information that helps them with their decision making. We need to be effective as a nonprofit so that we're investing the majority of our dollars into impact work, not operational expenses. So the ability to become more efficient with our operations with WebFOCUS is really critical for us in terms of having community impact. Data and analytics are really necessary to our business because we have to do storytelling to get our donors to invest in the causes that we support. With data and analytics, we have what we need to back up and be authentic and credible in our message and make sure that we are staying true to the work that we do.